Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today with this big box, we're going to be making a character from the original Toy Story inspired by the new movie coming out. I wanted to take it back to the original one. We're going to be doing a character that will be kind of challenging, and let me show you exactly what we're going to do. We are going to be doing Lenny the Binoculars. This character has been forgotten, so I wanted to bring it back and take it to the parks with my son. So this is what we're going to need: a small box, the big box, and the base, which is a medium-sized box. So with this big box, this is going to be the box that we're going to be cutting up to make all of the pieces. So I'm going to show you exactly how I cut it. So I cut it from corner to corner from the inside. You can do it however you want. It's easier with the razor. You just take the razor and cut it straight up. So I already cut a piece. So with this piece, we're going to make the binoculars, which are, I don't know exactly what to call them, but this is how it's going to look. So you're going to roll it, as you could see that I'm doing. I'm just getting it kind of ready to be put in a circle, and you want to make it as flexible as you can. So I rolled it about 10 times, and then we're going to cut at least 3 inches off of it. So you're going to cut the 3 inches off, and then you're going to roll it back up, and you're going to glue it. And I use tacky glue, all-purpose glue, for everything. It works perfect, and it dries very hard. We're going to do the flary part that comes out of the binoculars, and you're just going to do a straight line. And honestly, I measured it, but you don't even have to measure it, because you're just going to cut it out afterwards. So that measuring part you didn't have to really do. So now you're going to take it from the one point, and you're going to go at an angle and make your line, and you're going to do the same for this side. And then you're just going to do another straight line, and then we're going to cut it out. And then it's going to look like this. So you're going to go ahead and fold it together, and you're going to glue it, and then we're going to stick it inside the piping. And if you still can't see the vision of Lenny, it's okay. I'll show you. You can see here I put a circle in there. So for the circle, you're going to get 2 pieces. So here's another extra little piece that I have. You see how this corner is messed up, so you're not going to use that corner. You're going to grab your masking tape, because this is the size that I'm using. Go there. You're going to trace it. And then you're going to cut this out. You're going to cut that out. That way we could glue it into here. Because then you're going to put your googly eyes in here. Because we do have the, Lenny does have eyes. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to buy googly eyes. What you could do is you can just, once we spray paint it, you can paint this white. And then, or you don't even have to paint it. You could just get cardstock or just regular printer paper if you want. And just cut it to fit in here. Glue it. And then you can get another black sheet of paper and just make an eyeball if you don't want the eyeballs to move. In my case, I want them to move when my son walks, so we're going to do googly eyes. And this is where it got tough. I already have most of it already done. It got tough with recording, and I got a little bit annoyed with myself, only because I am doing this from scratch. And when I was filming it, I had to delete it and redo it to try to explain how I did it. And then I would mess up because it wouldn't look like Lenny. So then I had to redo it. So I fast forward these parts of the video only because I didn't talk while I was doing all these steps. I kind of was just going and learning as I was doing it. So I am pointing out the things that I did do and what I used to trace and all that good stuff. But I did want to explain why the video is running. I don't want to confuse you guys, but with the base of the box that was on the floor, I got a box that I thought my son would fit in perfect. And all of the extra pieces I just glued on top of that box as you could see in the video before, that all the pieces were glued on top. And I did that video just to show you that it wasn't complete, just to show you that it was a box on the inside, and I did glue everything around the base of that box. Another thing that I did want to say is I did glue all the pieces together. As you can see, there is a lot of tape. I used the tape to hold the box as the glue dried, and I did remove a lot of the tape afterwards before I painted Lenny. So I just used a lot of tape to hold the box together as the glue was drying. Otherwise, you would be sitting and standing and holding this box together for a very long time. So please, the tape does help. I did round off the top of the box because Lenny is round, so I rounded it off in the front of the box and the back of the box, which is going to make your top body part. So don't forget to round off the top of the front and the back of the box. Before this video is over, I did want to apologize that I did not explain step by step on how to do this project. It was very difficult. I did have to take it apart about 10 different times to figure out how I can get this to look like Lenny the binoculars. So if you do have any questions for me, you are more than welcome to DM me, and please post a comment down below, and I will get to you as soon as I can and explain as much as I can, and maybe I can make another one step by step once I have more time. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like Lenny the binoculars, and I did want to tell you guys that these orange shorts I did get from Walmart. So go ahead and go to your local Walmart to see if you can catch these orange shorts. Thank you guys for watching this video, and like I said, if you guys had any questions, go ahead and post a comment down below. Bye guys.